Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type square in Word document. So there are some methods. First one, type here X. Now this home font tab, the home button and font section, click here, select superscript and type 2. Second method using shortcut type X and now again click here, press enter. Second method using shortcut type X. Now control shift and plus, type here 2. Again press control shift plus. So you can type control shift and plus and type your desired number. And second method using equation. So insert equation, script and select this superscript. Type here X and here 2. Now click outside of this box. So these are methods guys, you can type square in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.